Hey guys, my name is Chris Newman with Drone Pro Academy, and I've flown professionally for clients around the world. And if you want to be successful in creating incredible epic drone photos, then pay very close attention. Many drone pilots feel like they need to fly huge expensive cameras and have years of schooling to achieve amazing drone photos. But nothing could be further from the truth. If you fly drones and you want to take amazing photos, this is exactly what you're looking for. It's called Photography Drone Secrets, and it will help you create stunning drone photos that will blow your clients and your friends' minds. And even if you don't have any experience taking photos with your drone, I'll take you step by step over the entire process with over 4 hours of content. In Module 1, you'll learn about how to fly safely and not get fined by the FAA. In Module 2, you'll discover everything about drone photography theory to become an expert drone photographer. In Module 3, you'll discover the top settings that I use to get amazing professional photography. In Module 4, you'll discover the top secrets that professionals use to get amazing photos in camera. In Module 5 and 6, you'll discover how to take your photos from your drone and transform them in Luminar, Aurora, and Adobe Lightroom. You'll discover my go-to secrets that will make your images stand out and look incredible. In Module 7, you'll discover all about professionally editing your photos on your phone with Snapseed. And if you act today, as a huge bonus, you're going to get access to our exclusive Drone Secrets membership Facebook group. It's time to elevate your drone photos. Get started below, and we'll see you in the training.